Presently, we have the Constitution of Zimbabwe, which specifically spells out that a girl or anyone who wants to get married should be 18 years and above. So that already sets the parameter in terms of the age for someone to get married, which is 18 years. But we currently have our laws, which were running prior to the Constitution, which still spell out that a girl can get married when she's 16 and a boy can get married when they are 18 and above. These are laws that were there prior to the Constitution. So there's been a lot of work with different civil society organizations, working with the Ministry of Justice in trying to lobby them to amend or to ensure that the laws that we presently have speak the same language with the Constitution. So this is, if you've heard the noise about the alignment of laws, this is exactly what most people are trying to achieve by ensuring that the laws speak the same language with the Constitution. That is, sets the age of marriage at 18 instead of 16 as it was previously stated in the Marriages Act. So the challenges that have been there with the current laws on marriage is that they were giving a distinction between the boys and the girls, which then meant girls were a bit disadvantaged because it was okay for a girl child to get married at the age of 16, but for boys the age limit was 18 years. So this then exposed our girls who at 16, most of them have barely completed their O-level education, which then places them at a place where they have not completed their education, and so if they get married at 16 they're probably in Form 3, and legally there was nothing wrong with that. And we know at the age of 16 most people have not matured enough. They don't even know what they want to do in life. They are not even sure about their interests. And so for us to burden them with the responsibility of getting married at that age, becoming a mother, becoming a wife at that age when they are still supposed to enjoy their childhood, was a bit too much for the girl child. So we embraced and ululated and celebrated the coming in of the new Constitution, which at least we are not saying 18, like every girl should get married at 18, but we're saying at least 18 years as a starting point is better, because this is what the laws have stated, have spelled out. And for us, we are confident that the people of Zimbabwe are comfortable with that position, because the Constitution was very consultative, and this is what the people voted for. This is what they wanted. And as a society, as a nation, this is something that we will embrace and take forth as something that at least will protect our girls.